Terme Topolšica is located in the north of Slovenia, near the highway connection Ljubljana-Maribor, in beautiful highlands overlooking the Savinjsko-Kamnik Alps, and is an ideal environment for relaxation, since it embodies all that is needed for the body and soul of a modern man. The power of thermal water has attracted visitors to the spa valley since the 16th century. The Florianove Spa was opened to the public in 1838. At the turn of the century, a professionally guided physical dietary spa was begun. Since the 80s, on the basis of spa traditions, a modern health resort with high-quality hotel and restaurants and numerous recreational and other supporting activities has grown. Terme Topolšica offers its guests a stay at Hotel Vesna, which has 3 stars, and in the apartment complex Odsepkov Gaj with 27 modern and environmentally friendly facilities, with a total of 98 beds in 4-star rank. The spa altogether offers 385 beds, allocated in single and double rooms, which are tastefully arranged and offer everything the guest needs for a pleasant stay. The swimming pool complex in the heart of Hotel Vesna is spread over 1,750 square meters and includes hot springs, children's pool, massage showers, whirlpools and real Roman baths. Zora Aquapark offers thermal water surfaces, flowing pools and a water slide. The water temperature in the indoor pool is at 31 degrees Celsius. In the outdoor, 34 degrees Celsius. The whirlpool will keep you warm with water at 35 degrees Celsius. The Zala Wellness Center is a modern temple of peace, health, warmth, relaxing colors, and natural invigorating scents. In saunas, massage and beauty rooms, we offer superior services that will bring harmony to your body and mind. But you can also pave your body in the gym, which has the best facilities in the area. Terme Topolšica are due to the healing thermal waters, as well as pure and unspoiled nature, a first-class spa. Medical personnel with advanced knowledge provide ideal conditions for the treatment of neurological disorders, mild chronic cardiovascular disorders, rheumatism, problems with the spine and joints, and post-operative states. Terme Topolšica are renowned for its excellent cuisine, which is due to the intermingling of different cultures, truly diverse. Next to the delicious local Savinjska-Šaleška dishes, the menu also consists of international cuisine, and our guests are served in beautifully arranged restaurants. Next to the rich health and wellness offers, in Terme Topolšica, we always strive to offer activities and entertainment programs. Therefore, our guests never get bored.